question we're asking tonight: is India prepared for this outbreak and its repercussions, or is the most dangerous thing about coronavirus the hysteria? That's why we're focusing on COVID-19 tonight on We the People. We hope to try and understand the character of the disease or this virus, its health risks, and separate the practical advisories on travel and sanitation.
Hi everyone, my name is Anjali and Hi everyone, my name is Anjali and today I'm going to be talking about 21 days of positivity in a lockdown. It is time for us to be proactive. I know it can get hard and complex as nobody is used to isolation. I have decided to make the best of my time by vlogging. It's crappy but happy. Guys, it's crappy but be happy. We'll get through this, guys. If you do like this video, share, subscribe, comment, share.
Chaos of the calm, constricting walls, the ending light, blinking as your eyes.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Can't believe it's been 10 days already. I woke up super early and made me this beautiful cup of coffee, and I thought I'll do a vlog for you guys. I think I've started to find comfort in this period of isolation. It's almost like a detox therapy for me. In today's topic, we are going to be talking about another upside of isolation, which is how it helps you think more clearly and enables you to disconnect from any petty emotions, stimulate creativity and spirituality.
And it's hard to keep to ourselves and not want to be around people. It's also hard to spend hours mentally unstimulated. So what do? You watch television. And if you keep the news on for hours at a time, it can really ramp up your anxiety to hear non-stop information on the rising death toll. So here's some suggestions for what you can do about this. First of all, realize that we're all in this situation together.
Anjali, hope you're well. By the way, I saw your vlog. It must be nice to have so much time and being all by yourself. Anyway, just called to check on you. Please call me when you can.
You can replay the message by pressing 1.
Is it me, or is it hard to find an app which provides all your social needs in one place? Is it me, or is it hard to find an app which provides all your social needs in one place? For those who think, why can't they be alone and feel good at the same time? Well, I recently discovered Social Gem. Connects you to your loved ones, um, and it is possible. And it is possible. It's Hi, Auntie. This is Anjali. We met in the lift. I was just calling to check if you need anything. That's good to know. Hi, Sneha. How are you? I was just calling to know if you know of any volunteer programs around. That's okay. Yeah, it's been going pretty well. I've been getting good response. Yeah, yeah, I'm quite happy. I've been thinking about relationships a lot lately, the different types: friends, lovers, children, parents. Relationships make us, no, relationships, relationships make you who you are. This week, I've been learning about different philosophies and religious theories. They lived in isolation as opposed to popular belief. It boils down to having time and space to think about things. In order to explore yourself, you must in order to explore yourself, you must explore your inner mind and peace.